nang dumating ka sa buhay kong hilo. Binigyan mo ng kulay ang puso kong ito. Bawat araw ay puno ng awit at tula. Pinalitan mo ng ngiti mga matang lumuluha. Hanggang kailan kita iibigin? Hanggang saan kita hahanapin? Kahit saan ka man naroroon ngayong sinta, magpakailanman pinapangako kong hihintayin kita. Akala ko pagmamahal mo ay akin, ngunit sa isang saglit ako pala'y iiwan din. Ako ba ay nagkulang? Ikaw ba ay sinaktan upang iwanan mo ang puso kong ngayon ay sugatan? Hanggang kailan kita iibigin? Hanggang saan kita hahanapin? Kahit saan ka man naroroon ngayon sinta, magpakailanman pinapangako kong hihintayin kita. At kung sakali mang bumalik ka pa sa piling ko, tatanggapin kita na walang isusumbat sa'yo. Pinatawad na kita bago ka pa bumalik. Kahit kailanman ay di maglalaho itong aking pag-ibig. Pag-ibig. Hanggang kailan kita iibigin? Hanggang saan kita hahanapin? Kahit saan ka man naroroon ngayon sinta, magpakailanman. Kahit kailan pinapangako kong hihintayin kita.
Kakainis na ayaw mong maniwalang mahal kita. Ano pa bang kailangan kong patunayan sa'yo, sinta? Pero naiintindihan ko naman, hindi iwasan mo lang masaktan. Di ka madedehado kung sasagutin mo lang ako. Paninindigan kita, mamahalin kita buong buo. Kahit sa pagtanda ko'y sa'yo, paninindigan kita. Anong sabihin ng magulong mundo? Paninindigan kita, paninindigan kita. Huwag kang mag-alala, ako'y siguradong sigurado. Paninindigan kita, mamahalin kita buong buo. Kahit sa pagtanda paninindigan kita, anumang sabihin ng magulong mundo. Kahit ayaw nilang ako'y sa'yo, kaingatan mo. Paninindigan kita, paninindigan kita. Paninindigan kita, kaingatan mo. Alagaan mo. Dito na rin tayo, panindigan na natin to. Paninindigan kita, mamahalin kita buong buo. Kahit sa pagtanda ko'y sa'yo.
I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shiny lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.
Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas. Give Travi a wish list. I'd probably pull a Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't never had shit. Give away a few Mercedes like, here lady, have this. And last but not least, grant somebody their last wish. It's been a couple months that I've been single, so you can call me Travi Claus minus the ho-ho. Get it? I'll probably visit where Katrina hit, and damn sure do a lot more than FEMA did. Yeah, can't forget about me, stupid. Everywhere I go, I'ma have my own theme music.
Oh, every time I close my eyes,
What you see, bro?
I see my name in shiny lights.
And what else?
A different city every night. I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. When I'm a billionaire.
Let's go. I'll be playing basketball with the president, dunking on his delegates. Then I compliment him on his political etiquette. Toss a couple million in the air just for the heck of it, but keep the 5s, 20s, 10s, and bins completely separate. Yeah, I'll be in a whole new tax bracket. We in recession, but let me take a crack at it. I'll probably take whatever's left and just split it up, so everybody that I love can have a couple bucks. And not a single tummy around me would know what hungry was, eating good, sleeping soundly. I know we all have a similar dream. Go in your pocket, pull out your wallet, put it in the air and sing.
I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad.
So bad.
Buy all of the things I never had.
Buy everything.
I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen.
What up, Oprah?
Oh, every time I close my eyes,
What you see, bro?
I see my name in shiny lights.
And what else?
A different city every night. Oh, be a billionaire so fucking bad.
Iniwan ka na ng eroplano. Okay lang baby, wag kang magbago. Dito ka lang humimbing sa aking piling antukin. Kukupin na lang kita. Sorry, wala ka nang magagawa. Mahalin mo na lang ako ng sobra-sobra, para patas naman tayo, diba? Sasalubungin natin ang kinabukasan nang walang takot at walang pangamba. Tadhana'y merong tip na makapangyarihan. Kung ayaw may dahilan, kung gusto palaging merong paraan. Pinaiyakan ng manghuhula, hindi na raw tayo magkasamang tatanda. Buti na lang merong langit na nagtatanggol sa pag-ibig.